National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Montague County in north-central Texas, northern Wise County in north-central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 16 miles northwest of Chico and moving east at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Chico around 8 p.m., Bowie around 8:05 p.m., Albert around 8:10 p.m., Forestburg around 8:30 p.m., St. Joe around 8:40 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Monday evening for north-central Texas.